What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be talking about Milkomeda. So Milkomeda was introduced just recently. So this is just a layer 2 protocol or a side chain to Cardano. Basically, what you can do with Milkomeda, you can send your Cardano tokens from Cardano blockchain to Milkomeda. Milkomeda, it's EVM compatible. So basically, you can bring Ethereum applications and interact and use your Cardano on EVM compatible chain, and you can purchase directly like Ethereum or Bitcoin or maybe some other tokens with it. But then there was a slight problem. Everybody was talking about that there is no bridge back. So if you are sending your tokens from Cardano to Milkomeda, there is no way to send your tokens back to Cardano. So here's what I did. I went to Google and I typed Cardano unwrap bridge Milkomeda, and this website came up. So I opened it up, and here's what I found, that this is bridge back. You connect your MetaMask and then you can unwrap your tokens. So then I went to Twitter and then I went to Milkomeda website, and I actually haven't found any information if they've released a bridge or not. So I'm not sure if this is actually was done by Milkomeda or somebody else created a bridge, or maybe this is some kind of fake bridge or not. So what I did, I actually tested once. I sent some tokens to Milkomeda and then I sent tokens back, and it did work. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what I did and how I was able to get my tokens from Milkomeda back to my Cardano wallet. But I'm not recommending anybody to use this website because this was not announced, so I'm not sure if it's actually real or not. And if I'm sending just a small amount, everything's going through, and for example, if someone's gonna send huge amount, maybe that amount is gonna be rerouted somewhere else. I have no clue, but I'm just showing you, I'm just sharing you guys what I found and how to use this. So if you decide to use this bridge from Milkomeda back to Cardano blockchain, use it at your own risk. This is not financial advice and I'm not recommending anybody to use. So let me split my screen so that way I'll have side-by-side wallets and everything what I'm going to be doing. So I have two web browsers open. On the one that I have MetaMask installed, first we need to connect our MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to press on MetaMask. This window is going to appear. I'm going to press on next and then connect. Once the connection is established, we can scroll down, and as you can see, I have right now 12 Milkomeda tokens in my MetaMask wallet, and if we open that up, you can see right here 12. Next thing we need to do, we need to enter Cardano address here. So I'm going to go back to this browser. I'm going to press on receive. I'm going to copy my address and then I'm going to paste it here. And then it says minimum unwrapped amount is 3 Milkomeda. So we have to set minimum amount. Also, as you can see, estimated Cardano network fees 1.8, so almost 2 Cardanos. So in this case, we cannot choose entire amount. We have to leave at least 2 Cardanos for transaction fees. So I'm gonna set to 10 Cardanos, and then I'm gonna press next step, then confirmation. It's going to be charging me 11.8, then confirm, and that's it. Now it's waiting for confirmation, and we can press on link here. It's going to take us to Cardano skin. As you can see, transaction 1 confirmed. We can view on Etherskin, and now we just have to wait and see when it's going to appear in my wallet. Alright, looks like I just got my ADA in my Namey wallet, and this process took 10 minutes. I don't know why it's taking that long. I don't know exactly how it's rerouting, if it's actually going straight from Milkomeda to Cardano blockchain, or there is some kind of router in between, but it took slightly longer than I expected, 10 minutes. But I got my 10 Milkomeda tokens in my Namey wallet. So once again, I'm gonna leave link to this bridge in the description below, but use at your own risk, because like I said, at this time I haven't found any Milkomeda announcement, neither on their Twitter or on their website. Maybe it's just not announced yet, maybe it's still in the testing, in the beta, if it's actually made by Milkomeda. And if you do decide to use this website to get your tokens back to Cardano blockchain, once you get done using, always go back to your MetaMask, press on these three little dots, and then press on connected sites, and then disconnect from bridge.milkomeda.com, and then disconnect. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.